How to measure yourself for the perfect hoodie fit.
Hey there, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps of how to measure yourself so you can find the perfect size hoodie for you. Getting your size right is super important, especially when shopping online, to ensure a perfect and comfortable fit.
What will you need?
Before we begin, you'll need a flexible tape measure that you can easily wrap around various parts of your body. If you don't have one at hand, a piece of string and a ruler can also do the trick.
How to measure your chest.
The first measurement you need to take is your chest size. Here's how you do it. 1. Stand up straight and relax. 2. Wrap the tape measure around the fullest part of your chest, under your armpits, and around your shoulder blades. Ensure that the tape measure is parallel to the floor. 3. Make a note of the measurement. Remember, you don't want the tape too tight. It should feel snug but not constricting.
How to measure your waist.
Next, we're going to measure your waist. This is especially useful for hoodies that are designed to be more form-fitting around the midsection. Here's the process. 1. Stand up straight and relax. 2. Wrap the tape measure around the narrowest part of your waist. Typically, this is just above your belly button. 3. Make a note of the measurement. Again, ensure the tape is snug but not too tight.
How to measure your sleeve length.
The final measurement we're going to take is the sleeve length. This helps to ensure your hoodie's sleeves are the perfect length for you. Here's what you need to do. 1. Begin from the point where your shoulder meets your neck. 2. Measure down your arm, to your elbow, and then to your wrist bone. 3. Make a note of this measurement. This will give you the most accurate sleeve length. And that's it. With these measurements, you're ready to find that perfect fitting hoodie. Always cross-reference your measurements with the sizing chart provided by the clothing brand. Remember, every brand is a little bit different, so it's important to check each time you shop with a new brand. Happy shopping, and we hope you find that perfectly fitting hoodie soon.